Smajna ħafna dwar Higgs boson, magħruf aħjar bħala l-Big Bang, iżda forsi smajna ftit inqas Bellis. Dan huwa esperiment kbir ieħor min-naħa tal-Istitut tax-Xjenza CERN. Fl-Università ta' Malta News tkellem ma' xjentist Paolo Giubellino, il-kelliem għall-proġett.
Our results at the moment are the top cited paper sets on after the discovery of the Higgs. So there is a discovery of the Higgs, which is the biggest thing which has been done in the last few years, and then immediately after it's our results.
Giubellino huwa xjentist Taljan li fl-2014 rebaħ premju għal fiżika nukleari. L-iskop ta' Alice huwa li jkunu mkejla l-proprjetajiet ta' partiċelli prodotti mill-kolliżjonijiet ta' enerġija għolja.
The specific purpose of Alice is to create in the laboratory and then study the properties of the so-called primordial matter, the matter of which the universe was made in the first few millionths of a second of time. So just after the Big Bang.
L-esperiment Alice juża il-Large Hadron Collider li huwa aċċeleratur tal-partiċelli f'għamla ċirkolari twil 27 km u jinsab f'CERN fl-Iżvizzera. Huwa permezz ta' dan li jsiru l-kolliżjonijiet neċessarji.
We have a collision of two nuclei here in the center, which have come the 27 kilometers all around and hit one another in this center and form for a very, very short time this little droplet of matter which is hundreds of thousands of times more hot than the center of the sun. So it's the hottest thing humans have ever observed. And then this cools and expands and forms all of these particles, which we then study to infer backwards the properties of this matter that was the early universe.
Esperiment bħal dan jirrikjedi ħafna kejl permezz ta' instrumenti li huma ddiżinjati apposta għalih. Fil-fatt, iżjed minn 160 istituzzjoni minn 40 pajjiż differenti għandhom sem f'dan il-proġett. L-Università ta' Malta wkoll se jkollha sem. Il-ħamis wara nofsinhar kien iffirmat Memorandum of Understanding li bih xjentisti Maltin se jipparteċipaw f'dan l-esperiment.
Malta will be developing, and is actually already working on, several of the electronics and of the computer science aspects of our project.